हार्दिक सर,
क्या हुआ मेरे भाई?
आपने देखा बच्चों ने किया क्या है?
क्या किया है?
इतने गजब के आविष्कार किए उन लोगों ने, कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता कि इतने छोटे बच्चों ने इतना बड़ा आविष्कार किया होगा।
क्या बात है, यानी कि आज श्री चैतन्य टेक्नो स्कूल के अंदर जो बच्चे हैं उन्होंने साइंस एक्सपो में बहुत अच्छा
आविष्कार किए हुए उन्होंने।
चलो देखने चलते हैं।
चलो सर।
Hello, I am Arvi. I study in IK2. Today, I will tell you about germination of plant. Seed. This is a seed, but we can grow a plant. This is a sprout. It has roots and shoot. This is a germination. It has one or two leaves. This is young plant. It has many leaves. This growing big. This is adult plant. It has flowers. It has young plant is growing big. It's called adult plant. Thank you. Hello, I am Pritha. I am studying in senior KG. I am explaining about shape. This is a square shape. Square shape is 4 equal sides. A rectangle shape. Rectangle shape is 2 opposite equal sides. At triangle shape. Triangle shape is 3 sides. And circle shape. Circle shape is no side. It is a round. Thank you.
Hello, I am Hyan. I am studying in IK2. My friends and I will show you how to make secondary color by adding 2 primary color. So let's see how to make green color. If you add blue color with yellow color and mix it well, you will get green color. This is how you make. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nitya.
My name is Arya.
We are from class 5 and today our project topic is renewable energy and alternate transmission. So let's understand the first topic. Let's understand the first point, wind power flow energy. So in the presence of wind at desert and at seashore is very high. So we can convert the wind flow into energy. Next, as the wind flow will be high, the RPM means the rotation of per minute will be more and it will be generating electricity. So this electricity will be can be used immediately or stored in power backup or powerhouse. Next, but if the wind flow is not there, so we can use another source of light called sun. Let's understand the second point, sunlight energy. So next, using solar cell, we can convert the sunlight into electricity. This stored energy can utilize at the absence of sun, like at night or at evening. But when the sunlight is not there, so the sunlight is there, so this will be charging here and this power backup will be charged, so this will not work. So when sunlight is not there, we can use the power backup to blow this fan. Once the the electricity is also used by the street lights at far location like farm roads, desert roads, and for the lighthouse, and of course at our home also. So in today's era, using renewable energy and energy source is very essential. Why? Because using smart grid and of power transmission. Thank you. Have a nice and lovely day.
Hello, I am Asman. I am studying UKG. I will show you how to make purple color, blue color, which blue color with red color with purple color. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Hemik and I am studying in class 5th.
Hello friends, my name is Pratham. I am studying in class 5th.
Today I am going to present a working model of hydroelectricity and rainwater harvesting. A hydroelectricity is a form of electricity that is produced from the Knich energy by using the to generate electricity from the moving water. A dam is a barrel built across a river or other body of a river on top roof to create a reservoir from the water is known as reservoir. Is released from the canal or a pipeline is called the penstocks. Fall down to the lower elevation is known the Knich energy. Thank you.
Hello, I am Preyans. I am studying in UKG. I will show you how to make orange color. Add the color red and yellow and mix it well How to make orange color.
Hello friends, my name is Janil Patel. I am from class 5th.
Hello friends, my name is Arav Gaur. I am from class 5th. Today I am here for the Chandrayaan 3. It is the Indian third missile launcher and it is on the moon and it helps in the future to the students and the scientists and the scientists that we can stay on the moon or not. Thank you. This is our second project, the solar energy. Solar energy help us to produce energy from the sunlight, and at the night we don't have any light, so we can charge the battery and help at night. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Shubham. I am from class 5. Today I am going to present about the electric board. We have made this electric board from the DC motor, wire, fan and battery. Because of the extra force, the boat is moving like this way.
Good evening, sir. My name is Paul Arora. I study in class 5. My project name is I, light and shadow and reflection of 7 colors. First, I will explain of eye. This is the human eye. This is known as vitreous humor and this is known as retina, and this all are the parts of eye. The retina is screen for image formation. Cornea is thin membrane through which the light enters into the eye. This is the defects of vision. First, there are 3 defects of vision. First is myopia eye. It is also known as nearsightedness. A person with myopia
can see nearby things but cannot see the things that are far. Reason image is formed in the front of retina. In this, you can see that this is a myopic eye, and in this, regularly the image forms on retina. But in this image, the image is forming in front of the retina. But the causes of this is elongation of eyeball. Correction is concave lens. If we apply concave lens, the image will form on retina. Second is hypermetropic eye. For the far-sightedness, a person with hypermetropic eye can see the things which are nearby but cannot see the things which are far away. Reason is image is formed behind the retina, causes eyeball becomes too small. Correction, convex lens. In this is a hypermetropic eye. In this, the image is formed behind the retina, and this is the convex lens eye. When the person apply the convex lens eye, the image will form on the retina. This is the third, presbyopia eye. The old peoples have this eye. This is causes is aging, and correction is bifocal lens. The bifocal lens, in this lens there are two glasses. One is concave lens and second is convex lens. Thank you for the eye. And now it is the light and shadow. This is a shadow. This is a shadow. You will observe when the stick is closer to the torch, the shadow appears bigger, and when it is far away from the torch, the shadow appears smaller. Science behind it: when something blocks the light traveling from a source, the shadow is formed. Shadow increases or decreases, it doesn't matter, but if the stick is closer to the torch, the shadow will appear bigger, and if it is far from the torch, the shadow will appear smaller. Now this is the reflection of 7 colors of light. In this, you will observe that able to see the bright spot in the bowl. Science behind it: optical fibers work on principle of total internal reflection. When light ray strikes at the internal surface optical fiber cable, it reflects. In this experiment, water acts as optical fiber. Thank you for listening to me. Have a nice day.
Good evening, sir. My project, first I am going to introduce myself. My name is Dharmesh Sonara.
My name is Jayrat Sivanar.
My project title is Save Energy. You have seen lamps at a night, which are on all the night. It wastes energy, and we have made a solution for it. When a car passes through it, the lights get on, and when a car moves forward, the lights get off. In the morning, the light will get off automatically, and in the night, it will get off on automatically also. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Good morning, sir. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Mr. Jayrat Sivanar.
Myself is Dharmesh Sonara.
Today, I will show you a magic. So, first of all, I have two chemicals. First is potassium thymoside, and second one is foric chloride. First of all, I will take this chemical and rub on my hand, and then I will take one knife and dip in this chemical, and then if we do like this,
चीटिंग करता है तू चीटिंग 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 करता है तू
we see that the blood is coming out, and the chloride, the thymosol, this chemical is reacting with this chemical, and it forms a color like blood, and it is also said as a fake blood, and it is used in movies. Thank you for giving your precious time. Have a nice day.
Good evening, friends. My name is Amina. I am from class 5th.
And my name is Shadai. I am from class 5.
Today we are explaining you rainwater harvesting. So the rainwater harvesting is the process of solving rainwater. So it is the rainy water, and the rainy water goes in pebbles, and it goes to the well, and then the rainy water it's converted into clean water. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Manshuk.
I am Vivek Kumar Nath. Today I am here to explain you about water cycle. Here is the model of water cycle made by me and my friend Mansukh. This is the water bodies in the form of oceans, lakes, rivers. And this is the sky, this is the cloud, and this is the sun. So due to the heat of the sun, the water of the water bodies evaporates like water vapor. This process is called evaporation. The plants also loses excess of water in the form of water vapors from the leaves. This process is called transpiration. As the water vapor rises up and cools to condenses small tiny droplets, these tiny droplets join together to form cloud. This process is called condensation. As more and more water vapor join together to form more bigger water droplets. These water droplets when these water droplets get too much of heavy, the clouds could not hold it more, and falls on the earth as rain. This process is called precipitation. This process goes always repeatedly. Thank you. Have a nice day.
If you like to vote to our project, then vote to this number. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself Kavil Maruthi. I am from class 3. Good evening. Myself Saraswati Ghosh. I am also from class 3.
My project's name is Our Environment. Environment refers to everything around us.
The environment is a gift that needs a lot of nurturing.
Components of environment are abiotic elements.
To save the environment, we should plant more trees and use less plastic bags and promote recycling.
Now can I ask you some questions? Paper from trees can be recycled how many times? Answer 6 times.
Which is the fastest growing plant? Answer bamboo.
How does we communicate with each other? Answer is by dancing.
The microorganism that is important in decomposition process. Fungi is a microorganism that is important plays role in decomposition process. Thank you.
Thank you. Friends, myself Kavil Maruthi. I am from class 3. These are my projects. This is the Our Body Environment album. In this, there is skeletal system and its points, muscular system and its points, digestive system its points, then respiratory system its point, then circulatory system. It have also points.
nervous system. There is also points are in this. This is excretory system. Here are also points. This is reproductive system in the body. These are interesting facts. There are your mouth produced 1 liter of saliva each day. You lost about 4 kg of skin cells every year. Human teeth are as strong as shark teeth. Your body blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. And these are Indian currency, rupees. And my topic is money. From money we can buy things. The money are of 2 types. There are coins and note. Coin denomination are 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. And note denominations are 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupees. Thank you.
My name is Shivaj.
Hello, good evening. My name is Sia. We are
From class 3. We made a project of a windmill.
Let's we discuss in detail.
First, windmill works on a simple principle. Second, windmill is a taller structure. Third, it has large blade. Fourth, the blade rotate the wind. Fifth, the spinning blade look like a giant fan. Now for further details, I would like to call my mate Jia.
Blades of the windmills are connected to the shaft. All the blades of windmills are always rotating in a clockwise direction. It converts the kinetic energy into mechanical energy. Windmill is used to generate electricity. So thank you. Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Mehan. I am from class 3.
My name is Dev. I am also from class 3.
Our project name is time.
A clock tells us time. The clock has 2 hands. The small hand tells us hours and the long hand tells us minutes. There are 2 types of clocks, analog clocks and digital clocks. Analog clocks have 2 hands and digital clocks have no hands. They tell time in number. AM and PM. AM and PM is used to tell time. Full form of AM is anti-meridian. Full form of PM is post-meridian. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Sia. My name is Arna Bhatia. Today we are doing food pyramid.
Food pyramid first introduced in 1917 in Sweden.
It's basically for the balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that has all the nutrients required by our body in red and not called a balanced diet.
Food pyramid divided into 5 groups: Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D, Group E.
The bottom of the part we need in the large quantity. In the top part we want to need in less quantity.
Group A, pulses and grains. Carbohydrate, energy giving food. Needed very large quantity.
The second, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are protective food. They protect us from the diseases.
Group C, milk product, dairy product, good sources of protein and calcium. Group D, animal products. Animal products are the bodybuilding food. They are also help us to build the muscles and the bones.
Group E, sugary food, needed very less quantity.
Now we have adopted the food pyramid at our
My food plate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, dear friends. My name is Swara Prajapati and my name is Myra Patel. Today we will show you the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood and the blood vessels. Heart pumps the blood to all the parts of our body through blood vessels. Blood supplies oxygen and nutrient to all the parts of our body and carry away carbon dioxide and waste material. The size of our heart is tightly closed fist. It is located between the lungs, well protected by ribcage. Thank you.
Good evening. Today, भूल गई.
Once again.
Good evening. My name is Swara Prajapati.
My name is
Myra Patel. Today we will show you the Today we will show you the calculation of multiplication. The result of 1 times table is always the number itself. The result of 2 times table is always an even number. The result of 5 times table is n with either 0 or 5. The result of 10 times table ends with 0. Thank you. Thank you. Ask any question.
8 sevens are
56.
okay. 12 fours are
48.
okay. 15 nines are
135.
excellent.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good name is Shivansh. My name is Kuldeep. We study in class 3. Let us show our project Chandrayaan 3. The science behind this is atmospheric pressure. There are 2 syringes joined into a pipe and there is water inside. When we push the syringe piston, it creates a pressure inside and the second syringe piston will go up. And when we pull the piston of the first syringe, it will go up and the second syringe piston will go down. Now, why rocket is moving up and down? Rocket is moving up and down because it is stick to the cardboard and cardboard is stick to the second syringe piston. And rocket is moving up and down. Now, in reality, Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14th July 2023 from launch pad in Sriharikota, which is in Andhra Pradesh. It landed on the south pole of the moon on 23 August 2023. This achievement made India the 4th country who made a soft landing on the moon. Now I asked my classmate to move ahead. The mission objective of Chandrayaan 3 were: first, to demonstrate safe and soft landing on lunar surface. Second, to demonstrate rover rowing on the moon. Third, to conduct inside science experiment. All objectives were successfully done by Chandrayaan 3. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
My name is Vaishvi. My name is Vansika. We are from class 3. Our project name is Human Body Skeletal System. The skeleton system is made up of bones.
An adult human has 206 bones. We have nearly 300 bones at birth. It provides protection for the internal organ like brain, lungs, heart. Thank you. Thank you.